Hey everybody, welcome to today's vlog. Here at my storage unit. I'm just grabbing all my I am installing some couple parts today for my Tacoma. I have been wanting to do this for quite some time now, but I got so busy doing my own things and do a couple of side jobs and everything. Anyways, I have to replace CV axles, both sides, cracks and rattles, and that's not good for the axles because anytime now the bearings are pretty much shot and the axles can fall apart anytime because it becomes so loose. Anyway, so I'm going to a shop. Uh, I'm going to do the work myself. With this vehicle, I need a hoist because there's no way I can put this in the jack stands and jacks. And plus, it's an axle and truck's bigger than me. And then also, I'm going to replace the axle. Might as well replace the seals. I went Toyota directly to order these OEM oil seals. So, and I found out also one of the axles leaking, and so I have to replace the. I might as well. I'm replacing the CV axle. Might as well replace the both seals, both end, and yeah. So that's what I'm doing today. We'll go to the shop, and right now I'm just gonna get a couple more supplies. Couple of simple supplies. I need gloves for example. I want to wash the truck before I take it apart. Or yeah, because truck's filthy, and I don't even want to know what's underneath. Like if it's underneath it, it's dirty. Well, okay. So stay. Well, it'll be in next clip. Ooh, it's getting hot and humid outside now. So I'm here looking underneath, checking the axle. You see the leak there. I'm going to replace that axle. It's a little bit loose already. This one's really bad. So I want to change that. Checking underneath here, any rust spots. A couple of surface rusts on it. I don't know if you can see. You see axles I've replaced. Couple rust spots. Oh man, I got that's what happens when I miss the undercoat for 1 year. This one's the important one. Oh, there's a little bit of surface rust there too. So yeah, I'm gonna get going. I gotta take out the tires and go from there. Looks pretty good here. So pretty much I'm done here. I got everything installed. The CV axle seals are installed. Uh, Ball joint, I probably lubricate the lower ball joint. Tire, upper ball joint is still good. Checking everything. Sway bar linkage still good. Both sides installed. Everything's good. Making sure everything is good on the ground. And I also filled up the front diff. Here's front, and here's the drain. So I had to refill that because it was actually sealing up, making sure there's lubricant in there. And looking up, everything's good. The propeller that I did recently, still good, holding in place. Uh, Wheels are turning. Oh, sorry. Wheels are turning. So everything looks good here. Sorry I didn't even show you guys how I did it. Basically, I took out the lower ball joint and sway bar linkage and swung it out. That way, I don't have to drop the. I don't have to take off the. I forgot this was called hub assembly. But there's one thing I need to. Came here and I saw something that I need to replace. There's an oil seal by the hub assembly, like the hub for the bearing and hub. So there's a seal there that needs to be replaced. I don't have it with me, but down the road I will go and replace it. And what else? Bumper's still good. Man, I need to undercoat this before winter hits. So it's good to go. No rattles, and I'll show you guys what the difference between from what I replaced into the one I did today. So I'll do a follow up on it. So everything looks good. New axles. These are heavy duties, by the way. I hope they're heavy duties, but we'll see how it goes. Cadillac converter still there. Transfer case. Rear diff. See LSD on it, and just a lot of surface rust. Okay, so that's about it.
Sorry, folks. Oh, I forgot to turn on my audio. So I was just basically explaining that I drove the new axles around, tested it out, and it was in good shape. No rattles or anything. It looks you can see, as you can see, it looks like brand new in the front. Yeah, so I kind of like it, and both sides see the other sides too. Uh, it's better than what it was before last time I was driving with it, and yeah, this is me going to be explaining about the axles right now. Here's the old one. The old one was basically pretty much worn out. There was holes all over, cracks, bunch of holes, so you can hear. Well, you can't hear it. It's basically like jingle belling. It's like a bell, just super loose. And I'm trying to explain that if there is a hole, there's going to be debris, salt, water, contaminants going to the axle. The only cause of that because it was the lubricant was so dry, and there was no lubricant on the bearing, so basically top notch. Here's the oil seal I had to replace. The spring inside got out, and as you can see, it's not in its place. And now without that spring, it becomes the fluid has easy flow to get out of the transfer case, the front differential. Sorry. So I was just basically explaining that you can't once the seal is broken, You have to basically replace it. And knowing how I replace it, I always go from the manufacturer. That way, it is properly secure and it's designed for that vehicle. And I'm pointing out the axle boot. There's rips and tears, and there's no point of uh changing the boot itself if there's a hole, because like I said, there's going to be contaminants inside of the vehicle, inside of the CV axle. So the same amount of labor hours to replace the boot and the axle are pretty much the same. So I'm just explaining that it's better if you better off to just order a new axles instead of replacing a boot. Same hours, but no hassle. You don't have peace of mind. You don't have to uh, basically, yeah. And also, these are a 1 year warranty, so I'm kind of iffy about it with the lifetime warranty compared to the lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty, your life is not fully guaranteed. Um, the life of the vehicle, so I don't want to be keep on replacing axles if it's a lifetime warranty. So I'd rather just get something that is well known brand, from example, Toyota manufacturer. And yeah, if I were you, just get the try to get the OEM spec as much as you can. It costs a little bit more, but in the long run, it'll last longer than the generic cheapo from uh auto supply. We'll go with that. And I can't believe forgot to turn on the microphone. So yeah, here we go again. I'm testing it out. You can hear the jingle looseness. These ones you can actually repair. It just I'm just gonna save these parts. Uh, Definitely, I'm gonna try to rebuild it. And that's pretty much it for the video. Sorry I didn't turn on the I forgot to turn on the microphone, or probably the microphone shut off on me without me knowing. So, anyways, stay fly, and first you love yourself. Peace.